Welcome one and all to a journey of discovery, where the humble blueberry takes center stage in an extraordinary health tale. Our journey starts in the heart of North America, where this little fruit first captured the attention of native tribes with its vibrant blue hue and irresistible sweetness. As the years rolled on, the blueberry's popularity grew, soon becoming a staple in the diets of many. But it wasn't until recently that scientists began to unveil the true potency of this inconspicuous fruit, delving into its nutritional profile that extends far beyond its delightful taste. Boasting an impressive array of antioxidants, the blueberry has been linked to numerous health benefits, from boosting brain health to warding off heart disease. Its vitamins and minerals, coupled with its high fiber content, make it a truly formidable force in the realm of health and nutrition. Perhaps most surprising, however, is its potential for nerve regeneration. Recent studies have shown that the natural compounds in blueberries can stimulate the growth and repair of nerve cells, sparking a whole new chapter in our understanding of this remarkable fruit. Today, we peel back the layers of this small but mighty fruit, exploring its incredible potential for nerve regeneration. Firstly, it's essential to comprehend why nerve health is of paramount significance. The nervous system, a complex and intricate network of nerves, serves as the grand communication highway of living bodies. It plays a critical role in the functioning of our bodies, acting as an information superhighway between the brain and the rest of the body. This fundamental and essential system has a role in controlling nearly everything within us. From our rhythmic heartbeat that pumps the life-giving blood through our veins to our 5 sensory perceptions that connect us to our surroundings, it's all managed by our nervous system. However, just like any other part of our bodies, our nerves, too, are susceptible to damage. There exists an array of reasons that can lead to nerve damage, ranging from acute injuries and diseases to the natural process of aging. Injuries can disrupt the normal functioning of nerves, diseases can lead to their gradual deterioration, and aging can cause them to lose their ability to efficiently transmit signals. But worry not, nature has provided us with a solution. That's where our little hero, the blueberry, steps in. Blueberries, these tiny powerhouses of nutrition, are bursting with antioxidants and compounds that boast remarkable health benefits. Renowned for their deep blue color, blueberries are more than just a refreshing summer fruit. They are a rich source of essential nutrients that play a significant role in human health. Science has shown that these humble berries are loaded with a myriad of antioxidants and health-promoting phytochemicals. These antioxidants specifically target harmful free radicals in the body, thereby reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. The damage caused by these free radicals can lead to various health problems, including nerve damage. Fortunately, the antioxidants found in blueberries can help combat this damage, promoting overall nerve health. Furthermore, blueberries are rich in a unique compound known as anthocyanin. Packed with therapeutic properties, this compound is known to promote repair, offering an added advantage to consuming these delightful berries. In essence, blueberries offer a dual approach to nerve health, reducing nerve damage and promoting nerve repair. Now, this unique compound, called anthocyanin, is well known for its nerve-repairing abilities. Now you might wonder, how can one effectively incorporate these tiny miracles into their daily routine? This question might have been lingering in your mind for some time, and the solution to this query is an easy one. Blueberries. These small, nutrient-dense fruits are versatile beyond imagination. The myriad ways to include them in your day-to-day meals are simply astounding. Consider the start of your day. Waking up to the freshness of the morning, wouldn't it be delightful to add a handful of these sweet and tangy berries to your favorite cereal? Not only would they add a delightful pop of color, but also an extra layer of flavor that will wake your senses and kickstart your day. Moreover, have you ever thought about blending them into your smoothies? Fruits are a staple in any smoothie, and blueberries, with their high antioxidant content, make an excellent choice. Whether it's a banana blueberry smoothie or a blueberry kale one, they add a distinct mouth-watering depth to your drink that's too good to resist. Next, imagine the warmth of freshly baked muffins. Now, add in the touch of blueberries. Picture those plump, juicy blueberries bursting into your mouth with each bite. They transform the traditional muffin into something extraordinary, all while retaining the comfort of home-baked goods. So, as you see, the incorporation of blueberries is not only surprisingly easy but also enhances the overall taste of your meals. The possibilities are endless and delicious. This isn't just theoretical. There are numerous success stories, both from scientific research and individuals, that illustrate the nerve-regenerating ability of blueberries. These stories aren't based on mere hearsay, but on rigorous scientific studies and personal experiences. Researchers from all walks of life have dedicated countless hours to studying the myriad benefits of this small but mighty berry. These researchers hail from varied backgrounds, be they dietary scientists, neurological experts, or even general practitioners. They all converge on one point: the incredible benefits of blueberries. Universities and research institutions across the globe have not been far behind. They too have documented the many advantages of incorporating blueberries into our diet. The research covers varied aspects, from how blueberries can help regenerate nerves to their role in preventing neural degeneration. They have continuously shown promise, highlighting the extent of blueberries' impact on nerve health. This doesn't stop at academic institutions. Everyday individuals who have incorporated blueberries into their diets have reported significant improvements in their overall nerve health. They stand as real-life success stories, a testament to the transformative power of this humble berry. All this information has led to a broader understanding of the effects and impacts of blueberries. In essence, it has served to reinforce the importance of these berries for nerve health. Universities across the globe have documented the benefits of blueberries in their research, reinforcing their importance in nerve health. For a practical demonstration, let's consider a simple blueberry smoothie. This is more than just a refreshing beverage. It's a power-packed, nutrient-dense delight that can kickstart your day or serve as a perfect mid-afternoon pick-me-up. Start with a handful of fresh blueberries, plump and ripe, bursting with antioxidants and flavor. These little orbs of goodness are the secret ingredient that gives our smoothie its signature hue and tangy kick. They are packed with antioxidants, vitamin C, and fiber, providing essential nutrients to improve brain function and overall health. Next, add a banana. This isn't just for creaminess, but also for its nutritional value. Bananas are rich in potassium, magnesium, and vitamin B6, which aid in cardiovascular health and boost the immune system. The natural sugars in bananas also provide a sustainable energy release, so you can power through your day. Then comes the splash of almond milk, a dairy-free, vegan-friendly alternative to regular milk. Its subtly sweet, nutty flavor complements the fresh fruit, making the smoothie extra creamy and delicious. Almond milk is also high in vitamins E and D and low in calories, making it a favored choice among health enthusiasts. So, the procedure is simple. Wash and prepare your ingredients, pop them into your blender, and blend away. Watch as the ingredients transform into a lusciously creamy, vibrant blend. The result? A perfect, energizing smoothie that tastes as good as it looks. In just a few minutes, you've got yourself a nerve-boosting powerhouse drink. Of course, while blueberries are fantastic, they're just one piece of the puzzle. To truly support nerve health, it's also essential to maintain an active lifestyle, manage stress effectively, and ensure you're getting enough rest. All these elements work together, creating a holistic approach to nerve regeneration. In conclusion, the magic of blueberries lies not just in their delightful taste, but also in their potential to aid nerve health. Regular consumption, coupled with a healthy lifestyle, could pave the way for optimal nerve function and overall well-being. Thank you for spending your time with us today. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. And remember, this advice is intended to be general in nature. Always consult a healthcare professional for personal health matters. Until next time, here's to your health. Hey, but before you rush off to grab those delicious blueberries, check out my previous video on 4 seeds with incredible nerve-boosting powers. You won't believe the transformative potential they hold. Watch the video now and consider adding these remarkable seeds to your wellness journey. Click now and unlock nature's healing potential.